If the H5 error code is displayed in your Gree Mini Split air conditioner, I will tell you how to fix it in this video. The company says that H5 is an intelligent power module protection error in the outdoor circuit board. I will tell you possible faults which are the reason for the IPM protection error. First, you must check whether the filters on your air conditioner are dusty. If they are dusty, clean them. Check the evaporator as well. Sometimes, the evaporator seems clean from the top, but the dust is still inside these fins. This will make the air blow low. Then, you will have to clean the air conditioner by uninstalling it. Then, this error code has a chance of being fixed. Next, you must check out the outdoor unit condenser to see whether it is dusty. If it is dusty, then clean the condenser with water. No dust should be inside the condenser. It makes the refrigerant pressure rise. That put an extra load on the IPM installed in the circuit board. You will also need to check the outdoor blower motor of your air conditioner to see whether it is jammed or rotating slowly. If the blower motor is DC and has a problem, then the indoor display will show the error accordingly. But if the blower motor is AC, no error code will be shown for the outdoor blower motor on the display. If the blower motor is rotating slowly, replace the capacitor. The chances are that the H5 error code will be vanished from the display. The connections on the compressor terminal installed in your outdoor unit should be correct. If the circuit board was removed to clean the air conditioner and the wires were incorrectly installed at the wrong connections, then fix these connections. This connector is installed with the circuit board attached to the compressor. If this connector has a loose connection, this H5 error code can still be shown. That is why the connection with the connector should be perfectly attached so that this error code would not be displayed. Other than this, check the winding of the compressor. I have already made a video, which will be linked at the end. Now, I will tell you what could be wrong with the outdoor circuit board when this H5 error is shown on the display. The diode of this circuit board should not be faulty. Sometimes, the diode seems to be okay, but I have changed the diodes in a few situations. The H5 error code vanished from the display. The IGBT of the circuit board should be fine. Due to the IGBT, the IPM could heat up. Other than this, test the IPM. If the IPM seems okay without passing electricity through the circuit board, but it is showing a problem after passing electricity through the circuit board, then, you must change the IPM in this circuit board, and the H5 error code will be fixed. I have also seen cases in this Gree circuit board where the soldering of the UV and W wires becomes weak. Cracks are made in the soldering, which causes the connection to be ungood. This makes the compressor heat up while working. The IPM also heats up. A sensor is inside the IPM which control the heat. If the temperature of the IPM increases above 90 degrees, it can still show the H5 error code on the display. This is the heat sink of the circuit board. The heat sink is installed something like this on the top of the circuit board. If the heat sink is not completely attached with the IPM, and has air gap, still the circuit board could show the H5 error code on the display of the circuit board. Fix this air gap between the heat sink and the IPM to make all the heat to transfer properly in the heat sink, and the H5 error code will be fixed. I am tired now, and I run on coffee, so buy it for me on Patreon. Click the link on the screen to visit. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.